Why do we get nervous sweats when texting a crush? Why does one person's smile feel like fireworks while another just feels meh? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're diving into relationships and love, how attraction works, what attachment styles say about us, and why love is both the sweetest and most confusing human emotion. Attraction, the spark. Psychologists say attraction isn't random. It's influenced by things like proximity, similarity, and even biology. That's right, sometimes love is as simple as you sit next to me in class every day. Similarity also matters. We're often drawn to people who share our values, humor, or even music taste. So if you've ever bonded over the same Netflix series, congrats! Psychology just explained your crush. Attachment styles, love blueprints. Now let's talk attachment. Psychologists discovered that the way we bonded with caregivers as children often shapes how we love as adults. Secure attachment, comfortable with closeness and trust. Anxious attachment, craving affection but fearing rejection. Avoidant attachment, keeping distance and independence. Of course, no one is stuck forever in one style. Self-awareness and healthy relationships can help us grow. The psychology of love. Psychologist Robert Sternberg proposed the triangular theory of love: passion, intimacy, and commitment. Different relationships mix these in different amounts. A summer fling might be all passion, while a long marriage leans on intimacy and commitment. Basically, love isn't just one thing. It's a recipe, and the ingredients change over time. Why it matters. Understanding the psychology of relationships helps us build healthier connections, avoid toxic patterns, and realize that love isn't just magic. It's also science. So here's the takeaway. Love may feel mysterious, but psychology gives us clues, from why we're attracted to certain people, to how we bond, to what keeps relationships strong. In our next episode, we'll shift from the heart to the screen with the psychology of technology, how social media shapes our behavior, why digital addiction is real, and what online life is doing to our minds. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't, and remember, relationships may be complex, but learning about them makes us love a little smarter.